Hi Taurus, how you guys doing? Welcome to Vasudha prediction. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. One important thing guys is that if you want to help us with the donation link is given in the description box below. You can donate. I'll be grateful to you. Second most important thing guys is that if you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. The third most important thing guys is that if you want to support my channel by booking online tarot learning workshop and numerology via WhatsApp video call and Skype video calls, the details are given in the description box below. So there is 10 days and 15 days workshop, okay. And last but not the least, I am doing I'm really wow. Okay, so yeah, I am really right now just doing a lot of sessions currently, personal readings, so that's why I'm not available on my live sessions on Facebook. But if you really want to know about me, kindly hit the subscribe button on my YouTube channel, because daily, weekly and monthly I'm uploading different readings for all the zodiacs, okay. So this is a bonus love reading for Taurus today, okay, since I got the second most views on my last video for you guys, of yours guys, okay. So I'm really happy for you guys, okay. Yeah, thank you so much guys. So universe, please tell me what's going on in the love life of Taurus. And if you really if it resonates, that's good. If it doesn't, then kindly check out the other YouTubers, okay. Yes. Wow. What's going on with you guys? Universe, please tell me what's going on with Taurus in their love life. What's going on with Taurus in their love life? I can see major arcanas are more there into your reading currently. What's going on? Okay. Wow. Okay. So yeah. Wait. Taurus, you are walling up yourself, okay. You have guarded up yourself because in the past there was some sort of confusion when it comes to your connection, when it comes to your relationship, okay. You did a lot of thinking and contemplating. There was a lot of secrets. There was a lot of painful emotional heartbreak into your life when it comes to this connection, okay. And I think either you walked away or someone else walked away from this connection. I think basically you, because you are guarding up yourself, okay, and because you gained a lot of clarity when it comes to this connection, and when it comes to your situation, what is those things which you're supposed to do, okay, into your life. You are guarding up yourself, you are walling up yourself, you are protecting yourself, you are no more thinking about others, okay. You are just thinking about yourself, which is a good thing, okay. And you are taking an action towards moving forward into your life, okay. Moving forward when it comes to a new life, a new beginning. You are taking a risk, you are taking a leap of faith when it comes to what are those things which you are supposed to do, and you'll be victorious when it comes to your moving forward thing, okay. You in the past you moved away either physically, okay, I guess, but now you are moving actually emotionally also from this connection, and you are moving forward towards a new life, new beginning. You are taking a risk, you are taking a leap of faith when it comes to this connection, and yeah, you will be victorious when it comes to this connection. Yes. Seven of cups we have. That means that 7 is all about thinking, dreaming, possibilities, taking action towards moving forward. So yeah, so you are ready to take an action, you are ready to move forward when it comes to your life. What are those things which you are supposed to do? Yes, you want an happily ever after, not into a connection basically, but you want a happy joyous things. You want to fulfill all your wishes, okay? Whatever your wishes are, now you will be going towards it because you want a new beginning. You are gaining a lot of clarity when it comes to this connection, and you know what is your purpose into your life now, and you are moving forward towards it, which is a beautiful thing. Because I can see a lot of, um, it's like 1:9 thing, okay? So I can see a lot of major arcanas are there, and a lot of positive energy is there around this table, okay? So you are gaining a lot of clarity when it comes to this connection, and you are ready to take a move which will fulfill you emotionally and financially as well. You're ready to take a new beginning, you're ready into a new beginning, you're ready to take an action. Yes, you might be traveling somewhere, you might be making a move somewhere. There is strong communication which is going to happen, okay, with this new beginning, okay? And this will help you out to move forward into your life. Yes, either someone will offer a cup of finances, new job, new business, something you are starting, okay? Something new is going to happen, you are taking a risk to start something new. It might be, you might be traveling somewhere for this particular job, for this particular business, whatever you are doing, okay? So you might be traveling to a new destination, new location, new beginning, new life, okay? Yes, yeah, you are waiting for some sort of an offer when it comes to a job, a business, your financial stability. You are waiting for something to happen, okay? Yeah, and that offer might be coming, it is on the way, okay? So in the month of June, or in the last week of in the month of July, I guess in the month of July, or else the last week of July would be good for you when it comes to uh, receiving an offer of finances, okay, or job or business, okay, whatever it is. So yeah, you are ready mentally, emotionally to for this new beginning, and a strong communication will be taking place when it comes to this particular offer, okay? And just be careful about this communication, because it will be a big, like, it will change your life for better, okay? Yeah, so we have two traveling cards, so there might be a strong traveling might be into your life, okay? So yeah, you are grounding your energy when it comes to financial things, okay? You are thinking a lot about your financial stability, okay? But for that, I think some sort of movement need to be taken place, okay? Some sort of movement will be taking place when it comes to a particular offer of job, either or else business, and you are waiting for something to hear a news, okay, about traveling, about some sort of movement, okay? But I think you have a grounded energy, you have a grounded energy, because you are thinking a lot about your stability when it comes to your finances. You are thinking a lot about your financial independent life, which is really good, okay? Yeah, you will be victorious when it comes to this new beginning in life, okay? So do not worry, whatever confusion you will be going through, hell lot of confusion right now. You will be really having the time where you will feel depressed, worried, and sad about a situation, okay? What are you supposed to do, how you want to move forward, you will be feeling that, okay? But do not worry, because there is a there is the sun. That means you will be, it's all about evaluating yourself, it's all about growth, it's all about moving forward into your life, okay? Taking an action of moving forward, and it's all about victory, okay? So yeah, you will be growing yourself individually, independently, and mentally as well, okay, when it comes to your life, okay? Yes. What else going on, universe? Please tell me what else going on with Taurus. What else going on with Taurus? What else going on with Taurus, universe? beautiful energy we have. It's just that a lot of confusion and struggle will be there in the initial stage, but I think, a new beginning, this new beginning will change you a lot, and yeah, you will be regaining your power back with the Queen of Wands is all about, taking in action, being into your own power. You know what are you supposed to do, not being emotional, being very practical, okay, taking an action, doing whatever you want into your life, okay. So yeah, it will help you a lot when it comes to your life, new beginning, new financial abundance, okay. It's really good, okay. The Hierophant. So yeah, you are somewhere, you are thinking about this connection in your heart, into your mind, but yeah, I think this is like, growing you mentally and spiritually at a higher level, okay. You are reaching to that higher level of spirituality where you haven't before, okay. And this will, lead you to a lot of happiness, and yeah, like you will be internally very satisfied if you took an action. There might be few, cracks and pieces in the way, but a lot of new beginning is waiting for you, for collaborations and everything, okay. So yeah, this is really good for you, okay. So this reading is just for specific people, like I think, just 2% of the people will be matching for that, because this situation is not for all, okay. So yeah, take it however it resonates. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. One important thing, one also one more important thing. So yeah, you're reaching to that is higher level of spirituality, and yeah, some sort of justice will be served to you, okay. Whatever happened with you, universe is bringing in justice for you, okay. So do not worry about it. Some sort of justice will be taking place for you, okay. Yes. Let me pull out few oracle cards. Wow. Comparison, okay. So stop comparing yourself. 1 second, guys, okay. There is some issue going on with my mobile, okay. Sorry for the same, but yeah, some sort of comparison is definitely taking place for you. If you are comparing yourself with someone else, or someone else is comparing you, with themselves, so do not compare, because you are an individual, you are alone. Do not compare your life with someone else, okay. We all have to deal with our own individual karmas, okay. So do not worry about it. And 5 is all about, disappointment, problems, okay. So whatever you dealt with, okay, so justice will be served to you, so do not worry about it, okay. Wow. And one more card, last one, okay. So there is traveling. We have 3 traveling cards, okay. So you will be victorious when it comes to this new beginning, and there is some sort of major traveling will be taking place, okay, for you guys. Clinging to the past, if you are holding on, if you are still holding on to the past, please release it, okay. Your emotional baggage should be released, okay, because there is a number 5, clinging to the past. So release all your past energies, past life situations, past heartbreaks, emotional heartbreak, okay. Release it. You're still still onto it, you're still thinking about your past. Release it, guys, okay. There's some sort of traveling might be taking place. Do not compare yourself, your life with someone else, because you are alone. Your karmas are yours, okay, not someone else, okay. So do not compare. Don't get into the game of comparison. Just do your own hard work, do your own karmas, build your own life, and move forward. That is what universe wants to tell you. Wow. Let me pull few healing cards, okay. Yes, beautiful, yeah. We have got 3 traveling cards. Beautiful. And many major arcanas are there in your reading, okay. So yeah, comment down below, like, if this resonated with you or not. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, okay. Yes, I want to know, like, comment down below. I want to see, like, how for how many people this situation resonated, because I can see, like, just 2% of the people will be resonating with this particular situation, because it's like major changes are going. This situation is not for everyone, but this situation is for, few of the people out there. Okay, so yeah, healing message for healing fear. If you are fearful, there is a healing message for you. If necessary, I am willing to let go of an old identity, lifestyle, relationship, or career so I can grow and develop my potential. Every ending is an opportunity for something new to emerge. Beautiful. Every ending has a reason, and every new beginning has something beautiful for you guys. Okay, for sure, because this is a universal message and universe never lies. Okay, healing message for self-esteem. When my mind, heart are aligned, what I have to say reveals genuine integrity, which makes people want to listen to me. Beautiful. This were your bonus love reading. I hope you like it. Kindly comment down below and let me know like for how many people this situation resonated. I would like to know about this. Okay, and kindly hit like, share and subscribe button, and kindly help us to cross 1000 subscribers, because I am really working hard towards it. So yes guys, okay, and if you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. And if you want to book reasonable and affordable readings with me, there are two sections below in the description box, so you can check it out both. Whichever booking you would like to do, you can definitely. Okay, so yes guys, thank you so much guys. Thanks a lot for everything. Okay, so see you later on. Bye bye guys.